Hey guys, hello, we keep it dirty off-road, and today I'm with the AlphaRex guys, and we got something cool coming for all you Raptor guys. So if you guys have been eyeballing the AlphaRex lights for a while, you know that they released those brand new MidNights series lights, which are going to look really sick on the Raptor. Before they had the little chrome rings, which those are okay, but they don't look as nice as a nice dark light like these are. So today we're going to get these installed on the truck with the help of Nelson from AlphaRex, and we're going to do some testing for them so we can install these without having to do any programming on the truck. Plug and play. That's AlphaRex's model. Everything they do is plug and play. They came up with a CAN bus solution on their wire harness. We're going to test it out for them and get it on the truck. Midnight. Oh, they're so dark. That looks so nice. I hear Nelson's being extra careful with my truck. If this is your truck, I recommend having some extra push pins so you don't have to be so careful with this. Basically what you're doing is trying to find the push pin, right? See that yellow bit? That's what he's looking for. There it is. And you need to remove 3. Now Nelson, you're removing this out of the way so that it doesn't scratch the paint and so you don't damage it, right?
Yes.
Did we get all the pins? Yep, all the pins are there. These new pins are much more resilient than the old ones. You got it. Isn't there a clip in that back corner somewhere? Like you have to squeeze in order to... There it goes.
See that thing? Yep. We gotta get that to disconnect.
That's hot.
Yeah, we gotta find one that's switched with the key, right?
Yeah. You sure 36 or number 10?
This is the DRL harness, right?
Yep.
Using an outer circuit. The outer circuit doesn't come with the kit, right? This is separate. It's a micro 2 outer circuit. Put a link to these below so you can get them from Amazon. They're super cheap. Not a bad idea to order a couple of these. What size fuse did you put on there in the back? Is that a 5?
You can use 5, 10, or 15. Doesn't matter. Because it doesn't require a lot of current.
If I'd known we were doing this today, I would have power washed my engine bay. And this is all Mexican mud, too.
So this proves that you do go off of it.
So now that when you coil it up, that can be cut, too, right? You don't really need that. You secure it under there. Just the challenge is we don't want it touching that radiator so it doesn't melt. It's a very different design. So everything comes off a single plug. It doesn't even have a plug for the DRLs. It's all off of this one plug. And we're gonna have to adapt that to 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs. Oh, and that one too. And this side goes right here. This goes here. Right there, we're adding a CAN bus for long-term testing, right? Now eventually that CAN bus will be integrated into the wire harness so you guys don't have to worry about it. So for you Raptor guys, you guys are making sure you can do it without any coding. We got MidNights, high beats, turn signal. I think this part right here is just about snapping it back in place. This piece, make sure you have all your push pins. All those are still on there. They tend to fall off. Now again, these are tests, so that's why you see the CAN bus here. On the production models that'll come out in a few weeks, that CAN bus will be integrated into the wire harness. That's the hardest part, is getting it past that. So that's what you're talking about, how one side's a little high? Now, do you do a measurement where you get it like off the ground to a certain point and then measure over there, or no?
Usually what we did is 25 feet from the wall, 40 inches off the floor.
Okay.
That's why we have that. We have those, so we roughly know around like where it is.
Now that cutoff line, right, is for, like, we are left-hand drive. If we were a right-hand drive, it would be on the other side, right?
Yeah, if it's right-hand drive, if it had this, then it's going to be like this. Cut off a little bit lower so it doesn't blind where I'm coming from.